I thought I'd put this together just to give a little better sense for the angles in the tanning bed op. So this is a broad view of us working on a typodont, um, showing the motions and posture of Joy as she sits there, minimizing class 3, class 4, and class 5 motions. She's upright, completely muscularly relaxed, and assisting through an entire endodontic procedure here from start to finish. So we're going to show various angles of this, both with and without the microscope. So this is above, and you get a little better sense uh, of the position between the doctor and the assistant from this view. And you can see using the Wayfair cart there, she has access to really everything. And she can position these suctions really in the most ergonomic position. Here's another view um, that really shows to advantage how she takes the suction with her right hand and then transfers to her left hand and can move the positioning of the suction as she needs to, which makes this extremely ergonomic. And her elbows rarely leave the chair, and she's able to rotate and do record keeping at the same time. Her mouse is underneath the Wayfair cart, so she's able to enter data because the monitor is right in front of her. From an overhead view, you get a little better sense uh, of her motion and my motion. Notice the position of the cart, the position of her monitor, the position of the suction. And showing this in both slow motion. Now there, I'm actually picking up the rubber dam punch. I have a quirk. I like to punch my own hole. So I have positioned the rubber dam punch so that it's right in front of me. It's on the cart. That's the other advantage of the cart is you have these magnets. So the rubber dam punch is placed right in the position where it's easy for me to get to it. Just one of the little nuances of having these Harbor Freight carts. I can position everything because of the magnets exactly where I want it. Here you can see the overhead view, and you can see Joy's motions are extremely ergonomic here. And at the most she has class 3 motions, but um, there's really no need for the extension that we had previously in the prior version when we had uh, cabinets. So it's good to see these from multiple angles. Here you can see her positioning the suction, taking the anesthesia, getting the dam ready, and the monitor. We can take pictures here and document. There you can see I'm just reaching for the rubber dam punch, which is right behind me. I don't even have to look. It's just right in the perfect position because of the magnets. I can position it anywhere that I want. And here's another view, so you can see that the monitor is directly right in front of her. And you can see the angle of the chair, how close the monitor is to my left shoulder. So she rarely even needs to turn her head. There, we just gave anesthesia. And this is the overhead view without the microscope, so you get maybe a little better sense uh, without the microscope blocking the view of our class 1, class 2, and class 3 motions. The cart is just perfectly positioned. I don't even need to look up to get the strap goes, the ultrasonics, the hand pieces. And you'll notice Joy's positioning there is very, very ergonomic. And if there's interest, I'll actually put some of these in slow motion if anyone wants, that can really show all the little nuances. Here's a view from the GoPro on the cart, which gives maybe a little bit closer up view of how we do this. You can see she grabs the suction with the right hand, but quickly transfers it to her left hand. And the ability to move the suction devices, depending on which suction she's going to use, is very, very important. And the Wayfair cart allows you to do that. So you keep that space kind of free, which is normally where the extended tray would be. So we got rid of the extended tray because it doesn't really help us and is actually in the way. So I hope these different views help everyone, first of all, understand how the multiple views really can help your ergonomics by really studying your motion. So these different views, this is a little slower motion, so you get a little better sense of the ergonomics that you can achieve if you practice this over and over again. Again, moving the suction devices so that it's completely ergonomic. And Joy really never needs to take her elbows off of the chair rest. So she's muscularly relaxed through the entire procedure, no matter what we're doing, really. So I hope this helps in understanding the tremendous value of the tanning bed op design. And if you implement this, you'll really reap the advantages.